Now you can read magic E words.
Bite, beat, bite. Tub, tube. Hug, huge. Hop, hoop. Kite, kite.